Tapos naman guys, itatapon ko naman ito. I'm going to throw it out. I'm not gonna mix it with my kinilaw. Pag nagluluto tayo, diba? Saka yung asawa natin nag-enjoy, diba? Enjoy din tayo. I want you to laway-laway what I'm eating. Sarap, oy. Hi guys, good morning. I know I'm still wearing the same thing. Did you see something? I want to explain. That's why I vlog, because I want to explain why I have this. Guess what it is? You don't know what it is. A hearing aid. No, just kidding. Anyway, masakit yung ulo ko. Good morning guys. I'm just gonna take a shower. But before that, I'm gonna go to the treadmill, exercise, and do some Zumba or something exercise from the computer, from YouTube. Anyway, maayong aga sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga, guys. Last night, I cannot sleep properly because of my ear hurt so bad. I think I have ear infection since it's twice already this month. And then, the first one is like nawala siya. And then, bumalik kahapon. Kahapon siya, nag-start siya very slow pain. And then, last night, it got worse last night. And until now, I still have the pain. And I remember my grandma, na my father's side. She is the one that have that, like, merong mga herbals, mga kahit anik-anik sa mga paligid or mga ginagamit mo sa house. Siya yung may ganyang style na if she wanna get better, she's going to use the herbal that she have it in on her yard. Naalala ko palagi na pag may karamdaman siya, guys, pag may karamdaman siya, mag-ano lang siya ng ginger. Hindi niya kakainin. She's not going to chew it. She's just gonna, just like a monkey, she just like kind of have it in her side of her gum or right here. And then she's like nothing. If there's juices coming out, you know, she swallow it. It's just her way of treating her to feel better. And so yun ang ginagamit niya. So ito din, may nilalagay siya na ginger sa tainga niya kapag parang isa-suck out niya yung ano ba, yung kahit kung ano man meron sa ano. Pero hindi ito nagkasya, oy. So, ano ko to. Pagkatapos naman, guys, itatapon ko naman ito. I'm going to throw it out. I'm not gonna mix it with my kinilaw. So, yun. My father is used to the tobacco. The tobacco, di ba yung sa atin sa province, hindi yung sigarilyo. In the province, there is like a paper or any kind of newspaper, any kind of paper, and there is a tobacco. You kind of line up that and then you roll it yourself. That's my parents. My parents they were a smoker before they smoke, and now they stop for a long time. And they use that, you know, a cigarette that you roll, or sometimes they put the banana leaf. Yung banana leaf, kind of, you know, cone kind of style, and you put inside, and then that's how they. So yun. So yung cigarette na papel, inano niya ng papa ko, ganyan siya mag-ano ng kapag masakit yung tenga mo, ganyan siya. Inano lang niya yung sabab sa dapat sa bibig ilagay, di ba? Ikaw, ganyan yan. The one that put in your mouth, they put it inside your ear, and then my father's mouth is in the other way, where's the fire or the flame, not flame, a fire, and then he's not going to suck all the thing, but he's going to blow the air, blow inside in your ear. So I forgot I have to charge. Anyway guys, good morning. So maliligo lang ako, but before that I'm going to do exercise. Ito yung portrait, hindi pala portrait yung kanina. Kakaiba itong portrait eh, parang may pagka bluish. May pagka yung skin ko super smooth, pero hindi naman smooth, sobrang rough at ang itim ko. Ay, itong kamerang ito, sobrang liar. So, tignan natin ito, portrait ito. Kanina pala, ano siya? Anong tawag nito? Photo. Di ba masakit yung ano ko, yung half of my head? That's the symptoms, guys, kapag meron parang may flow na paparating sa akin I told you this on my previous vlog na parang kapag mag-change yung weather dito, season, parang ganyan ang mangyari sa akin. Bumabalik-balik yung masakit yung ulo. Hindi naman lahat sa outer part na side, not even the whole head. Hawakan ko tong buhok ko dito. Masakit siya guys. At saka kung hawakan ko ito dito, masakit. Wala ngayon sa face ko, dito lang sa ear area. At saka kapag mag-swallow ako, affected yung inside ear ko. Kung iinom ako ng tea, guys, ang mangyari, lagyan ko ng maliit na lemon at saka sobrang, sobrang liit lang na lemon at saka maliit na tawag nito, na honey. Itong camera na to, no, sobra talagang liar. Liar ka, ha? Mamahalin ito, guys. At this one is, somebody give this to Tommy. I've been using, it's been with us for like, almost 2 years now. Pero hindi si Tommy gumagamit. So, hindi naman ako mahilig mag-tea. So, kapag may sakit lang ako nung time na yon, ginagamit ko yung, anong ginagamit ko dito? Ginger. Na parang natapos na ata yung ginger, ininom ko lahat. So, ito siya. So, binigay ito ng katrabaho ni Tommy. Ito yun, organic herbal tea. Soothing blend of flower blossom with a zest of citrus. So, Tommy told me you can use it twice. Reuse it twice or 3 times. So, dibra, sosyalin siya, guys. Sosyalin yung packaging niya. At saka, talagang maganda yung packaging. Classic collection. Ilagay ko lang ito dyan. Kasi wala naman akong dapat lagyan. Dapat talaga mag-vlog, may mga punta ka dun, punta ka dito. Hindi naman ako pumunta dun. So, dito naman talaga ang buhay ko. Ito naman talaga ang buhay ko. So ito na ang makikita nyo. Kasi ito naman talaga ang buhay ko. Hindi naman ako nag-fake-fakean na pumunta ako dun, nag-shopping. Pero hindi pala. Nagsha-shopping doon, sabi, mag-shopping ako. Punta ako doon. Pagpunta doon, walang dala pag-uwi. Sasabihin sa vlog, wala akong nakitang gusto. Nagpakaroon nun. Natawa lang ako, guys. Ito lang, drama-drama ko lang ito, guys. Hindi ko ito ma-open, Ito na-open na. Ito yung kakainin ko, yung leftover na niluto ko kahapon, guys. Kahapon ko siya niluto. Kasi gustong-gusto niya ni Tommy yung steak na leftover. Talagang gusto niya ni Tommy. Kapag may leftover na steak, sabi ng asawa ko palagi, lutuin mo yan. Ito na yung tea. Anyway, so, forget muna tayo doon. Ito yung tea. Tignan nyo. Sobrang ganda niya. Look. Look, sobrang ganda ng tea, di ba? May ano siya, parang ito. Look, tignan niyo. Maganda talaga siya. So, paglagay mo doon, ito yun siya. Ilagay mo ito doon. Ilagay. At saka kapag ready na, kunin mo lang yung leaves. At saka ito, ibalik mo siya later dito. At saka gamitin mo ulit. I have to leave it there for a while. That para mag-ano yung tea. Diba? May makikitang titibot. So, anyway, about the leftover steak, nung lutuin ko ng mga stir-fry ba, maraming garlic, saka lagyan ko ng Maggi Sabor na, yung Maggi Sabor na calamansi, yun, happy na siya, as in, mag-enjoy na yung asawa ko. At happy naman ako kapag nagluluto. Kapag nagluluto tayo, diba? Saka yung asawa natin nag-enjoy, diba? Enjoy din tayo. Chico? Miti ka. Come in. Come. Do you wanna come in? Do you want some pussy? Do you want some pussy? Do you want some trees? Do you want some trees? Come in. Look at the guy. Come in. Come in. Do you ready to come in? Do you want some? Gusto nilang pumasok eh. You wanna go out? Now you wanna get in? Let's go out this way and let's go get some trees. Let's go get some dada. Who wants some bunsi? Do you want some bunsi? Or do you wanna go out this way? Do you wanna go out this way? Tignan nyo to, guys. No scratching the thing. Tignan nyo, guys. Ipapasok natin ito. Tignan nyo itong mga reaction to. Sorry, Rox. I closed Rox's half of his. What is it made of? No. Okay, let's go get some bunky. Gusto nila ito, baby. Hi guys, nakatulog ako guys. Itong katawan ko dito masakit na rin. So, ano lang guys, pahinga sa muna ako guys ngayon ha. May lagnat na naman ako nito. So, pahinga muna ako today. Babalikan ko kayo bukas. Hi guys! Bumabalik ako guys. Hindi pa ako, akala ko hindi na ako babalik kasi ano, I don't really feel good. I just want to show you. I want you laway-laway what I'm eating. Ay, yung ulo ko sobrang sakit. As in guys, hindi siya biro kapag ginunitan, kapag hinawakan ko dito, sobrang sakit. Dito, wala. Pero, mas masakit dito na side. Binagoong ng tomato. So, ito lang. Ito siya. And, itong tomato. Ano ko lang siya, hindi ito lahat mga 5 at saka i-cut ko siya ng half. So, yun. So, yun lang ang lutuin ko, guys. So, ito, guys. Naka-high pala siya. Tomato lang siya at saka garlic. Lulutuin ko siya. Tatabunan. Hininaan ko. Ito. This is what I'm going to add on there. Hold on, guys. Oh, ang bango, ang bango, ang bango, ang bango, ang bango, ang bango. La 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 la. Da 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 da. It's soft na. Nag-ano na siya, guys. Okay, ano na siya. Okay, ilagay ko na itong, lagyan ko na siya ng, okay, hold on, guys. Naluto na siya. Luto naman ito, guys. Guys, this is cooked already. I just cook it with garlic additional. Para bukas, I have something, you know, extra for the next day. So, ito siya. So, itong bahay, guys, maano na siya. Masalimuot na ang bango later, ang amoy. Masalimuot ang amoy, guys. So, maganda kasi yung tomato at saka, bagoong, di ba? So, gusto kong gumawa ng pakbet. At saka, gusto kong marunong gumawa ng pakbet. Meron naman bagoong, di ba? Pwede naman yung bagoong or pork na may fat. At saka, I think yun lang. Kailangan. At saka, okra, bitter melon, and giant string beans. Giant string beans yung batong. At saka, ano pa? Kalbasa. Kalbasa is the best. Yung bagoong rice at saka mushroom at salmon. So, this is very Filipino. Spoon. Sarap, oy. Sarap. Sakit swallow ng pagkain. Namiss kong magmukbang. Gusto kong magmukbang na mukbang lang. At saka yung ibang pagkain. So, yan. Maganda ito sa hilaw na saging ba? At saka kamote. Ang kamote, kainin mo at saka ito. Yun na, busog ka na dun. Kamote at saka ito at saging na hilaw. Anong ulam kayo ngayon, guys? Anong meron kayo? Or kanina, anong kinain nyo kanina, guys? Ikaw, ngayon nanonood ka. Anong kinain mo kanina? Ako, ano bang kinain ko kanina? Hindi ko na maalala. I can't remember what I ate. Lunch. I think what I ate is the leftover beef that I made yesterday. Leftover but I recook it. Tsaka rice yun. Masaya ako na okay. Meron akong Christmas tree, guys. Sarap, sarap, sarap ng pagkain. Pagkatapos nito, inom tayo ng maraming tubig.
Alright, this is the last of it. Alright, Alright, let's get the room done.
Hi guys. Hold on. Hi guys, I'm just watching this New Jersey Housewives. They're back for a few weeks already. I like the New Jersey Housewives, and yeah, but so anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't really vlog much today, but thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Bye guys.
I don't remember.
Bye.
But if Sige did, I bet.
The TV is on because I went outside, so I have it on my phone.
So far on Sige's ass that I couldn't even pull her out. Really? Yeah. She's like family.
So anyway, good night. Bye guys. Night. Bye bye guys. Bye. Pop up, and then when he get up, I cook like